Let's look at the embroidery frame we need. This is a standard frame for any type of embroidery, including tambour or goldwork projects. It consists of 2 horizontal planks where the fabric is attached, and 2 vertical planks that stretch the fabric. The frame is held together by 4 screws that keep both the frame and fabric securely in place. We also need either grosgrain ribbon or herringbone tape. There's actually no difference between the two, except that herringbone tape is usually made of cotton. Please note that you'll need 2 pieces, each more than 10 meters long. It's also nice and convenient to have a wooden tool to tighten the screws. The main benefit of this kind of frame is that it lets you work on relatively large projects, like pieces for bags or pockets, not just brooches. But such frames can be quite expensive and hard to find. A good alternative might be to convert a regular, simple cross-stitch frame into a frame for tambour embroidery. On my frame, I can stretch the fabric from 25 to 50 centimeters wide, but only 19 centimeters high. That's more than enough to make several brooches or a couple of patches. All you need to do is attach good quality 35mm Petersham waistbanding to the horizontal planks using a furniture stapler. Petersham waistbanding is rigid, works well with thick needles, and will last a long time.